Freddie? Freddie, what the heck do you want to send to Canada? Freddie, if you don't mind, I'd like to see what you're shipping. Lily? Lily's your sister. You can't ship her away.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No, thanks. I'm fine.
Oh no.
Go.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster, then his tongue comes out and lickety-lickety-lick.
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
Why? It just keeps going.
Go eat your food. No, go eat. Go eat your. Go eat your food. Get down. Get down. Go eat your food. You heard what I said. Don't make.
Come on, Herc, it's not a treat. Come on, Herky. Herky? Herc. Yeah, Herc, you're almost...